Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to unlock parental lock in Disney Plus on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Disney Plus applications. And now if you wanna open your profile at Disney Plus, you have to enter it first for the pin that you have met before, you guys. So if you wanna unlock it, if you wanna disable it, just go ahead to your profile here at the bottom. Now tap on help and settings. After we'll find out here the parental controls, just go ahead, and if you wanna disable it, if you wanna unlock it, just tap on this button on this toggle beside the parental lock. Just tap on it like this, and now you have to enter the verification code first that's sent to your phone number. Now if you're done, tap on this done button. So your parental lock is already disabled on your account, you guys. So if you want to open your account, there are no pin again. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.